See you later 2024 and welcome 2025. And this one is gonna start off on fire. I have mentioned, guys, for 8 months of me posting that, by the way, I still can't thank you guys enough for the support. And you know what, I'm not even gonna make it boring, but thank you guys. And there's nothing else I can say about it, man. Just thank you, I guess. That's it. Let's not make it awkward, and get all fuzzy and shit. Anyways, for 8 months, guys, I've been posting sneakers, reviewing, talking about sneakers, the whole works. And I've said a couple of times in comments and stuff like that I've said, oh, these are one of my favorite silhouettes and, all that type of stuff. But guys, here's the real truth about this. I have never said what are my top 5 sneakers of all time. And guys, this was gonna shock you because one of them actually got dethroned completely from my top 5 with something that's actually new. And I'm very glad I actually found these shoes. The simple fact that they have changed my whole sneaker game for good. And just a little heads up, no, they're not exactly what you might think. It's gonna get you a little bit out of surprise. So let's get straight into it, guys. Let's start off this 2025 on fire. I know that people are gonna have the diarrheas. It's inevitable, guys. It's just the way it is. You're gonna see it in the comments. Oh my God, how could that be? Yes, guys, that's what I do. That's what I like. And no, I'm not being controversial on this one. This is actually 100% truth, what I'm telling you right now. This is the 100% truth. Odds are you're only going to see another top 5 sneaker of mine unless one of these top 5 get dethroned completely. So it's going to be very hard. Let's just put it like that. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Let's get the show on the road. And let's start it off with number 5. My number 5 of all time is the Jordan 1. Yes, the Jordan 1. Right here we got the lost and found. Guys, I'm telling you silhouettes here, but there's a twist, guys. I told you that there's going to be a couple of little twists here that a lot of people might not imagine. Yes, it is in my 5th spot of favorite sneakers of all time, but it's not the high, ladies and gentlemen. It's the low. Yes. And why do I have the Travis Scott right here? Because this is my favorite out of all my Jordan 1 lows. This is my favorite colorway. This is my favorite silhouette, favorite colorway of them all. So yes, the Jordan 1 low. Guys, I love this silhouette. It just goes with everything. If I want to wear jeans, I want to wear shorts, and I look like a goofball like the guy from God's Soul. So like I was saying, yes, you can rock them with shorts, you can rock them with jeans. The colorways are beautiful. This is my number 5. Not the high, but the Jordan 1 low. What's next? In number 4, a lot of people think that this is actually my favorite silhouette of all times, but it's actually coming in at number 4, and it has a twist also, and it's the Jordan 11s. Yes, right here, guys, we got the Space Jams. Not my favorite colorway of them all, but it is the one that means the most to me. If you guys haven't seen the Primo sneaker story, how I came up with these shoes, it's just a memorable moment to me. That is why it has such a great meaning to me. But in reality, no, it's not actually my favorite colorway. But here comes the twist. Yes, Jordan 11's coming in number 4. But it's not this Jordan 11. It's the Jordan 11 low. Yes, guys. Oh, the diarrhea still isn't coming out. I can sort of smell the diarrheas. Yes, guys, the Jordan 11 lows. These are my 4th favorite silhouette of all times. The shoe just fell. That's a scuff on that patent leather. But yes, this is my 4th favorite sneaker of all time. Oh, wait a second. I gotta undestock these joints. I remember I tried them out, and honestly, guys, I didn't even remember ever rocking them out in the street ever. So you know what? I'm gonna have to do a wear your sneakers on these bad boys right here. Yes, it's well deserved. I'm telling you, I just pick out shoes sometimes, and I realize they're undestocked and shit. You know, it's like, bro, I'm all over the place with this joint. That's why I tell people, keep your collection short, man. Keep your collection short, small, snubby, however you want to call it. Keep it small, man, so you can enjoy all the sneakers until the soul comes off of that joint. Yes, guys, keep it small. Don't go ballistic. You'll end up buying shoes, you're never gonna wear them again. And I'm not the type either to just buy a sneaker to look at on the wall. No, I wear all my sneakers. That's why I have Wear Your Sneakers episode I don't remember. I wear all my sneakers, but when you got so many, guys, you're not going to wear them. Something else will pop off. So keep it memorable and keep it small, guys. So yes, in number 4, the Jordan 11 Lows. Number 3. In number 3, yes, this is gonna be the one that's gonna heartbreak a couple of people. It's a lot of people's favorites, but this one, in my case, a lot of people thought it was the 11s. Certain people even thought it was the 1s. But nobody actually imagined this one. And what are they? The Jordan 3s, guys. Yes, these are my favorite Jordan silhouettes of all time. This sneaker could go with everything, including shorts, and I'm looking like you got little small legs. So yes, Jordan 3s are my favorite Jordans of all time. Like I said, beautiful silhouette. Extremely comfortable. They are the most comfortable Jordans there are. They look nice with everything. Jeans, shorts, G-strings, everything. Oh, did I just mention G-strings? My bad. But yes, guys, these are my favorite J's. I love them. They mean dearly to me. You're so beautiful and gorgeous. Your sleek lines. Oh, you. It's beautiful. Did I just make it awkward, guys? I'm sorry about that. I can't resist myself. You know what I'm saying? And now comes number 2, guys. Who does number 2 work for? Oh, God, I gotta say something all the time, man. Why can't I just restrict myself? I can't restrict my brain. It's like it just comes out, man. Let's get to number 2. Who does number 2? Just give it, guys. Let's give it. Let's go to the next one that is actually the second place. Second place. There you go, guys. Second place. And coming in second place was the one that dethroned what was in second place, guys. These shoes, to me, were the shocker of shockers. I cannot believe I missed out on these shoes for so many years. Let's put it like this. I'm going to be 90 years old and I'm still going to be rocking these shoes. These things are amazing. And yes, I picked them over Jordans. Could you believe that? And what are they? The Gel Kayano 14s. Any colorway. I'm telling you, I love this sneaker to the point that it dethroned the Jordan 4s, guys. My second favorite sneaker of all times was the Jordan 4. This kicked it out of the park completely. I'm telling you, odds are if you run into me out in the street, you're gonna see me rocking one of these. These shoes are so comfortable, stylish, beautiful, quality. You see these sneakers right here, guys? I haven't even cleaned them, and I wear this almost every single day. The quality's on point. Nothing wrong I could say about it. Besides that, it has a couple of pubes inside of the shoe. But that doesn't matter, guys. More cushion. Alright, so getting back to the Kayanos. Yes, guys, the Kayano 14s, man. I love this sneaker. Everything about it is beautiful, 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 guys. Just beautiful. Order you. You gotta treat them like them honeys, you know what I'm saying? Little spanky. Puckle. Yeah, that's right, baby. Was I technically slapping like a titty right there? Isn't it like in the back? Never mind, guys. You see, I think too much. That's my problem. So what's Primo's number 1? Why am I talking about myself in third perspective? I have no idea. Are you guys ready for this? I don't think you guys are ready for this one. All right, yeah, you know, actually, you are ready for this. You put up with the whole damn video, so yeah, I can imagine already. You're probably saying in the camera right now, Primo, just shut up and show me the shoe. Well, here it comes then. Guys, I could always do it like the rest of the reviewers. I keep extending it and extending it. It's like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, just so I could get views, guys. Should I try to play it slick like that? I got to find a way to keep extending things and keep talking and talking. All right, enough of the talking, guys. At number 1, ladies and gentlemen, the Air Max TN. Yes, it's not a Jordan, guys. It's not a Jordan. My favorite silhouette of all time, my favorite sneaker of all time is the Air Max TN. And another thing, this is my favorite colorway also. These are my favorite sneakers, period, of all time. It goes with everything, guys. It goes with everything. It's old volume. It's beautiful. It even has a mama. It has everything, guys. Everything in one shot. Supreme. And just in case you're questioning, yes, my favorite sneakers are low tops. I don't really like high tops. They look kind of goofy. I might wear a mid with shorts, but I would never in my life wear a high top with shorts. It ain't gonna happen, homie. Call me old school, but I ain't gonna look like no goofball. And I don't even know why the hell did I just say that, because all hell's gonna break loose now. And the funny thing is, they don't put it in the comments so the algorithm can get. No, they send it through email. Oh, really? A lot of people love it. Because that's the problem in this world. People can't just mind their own damn business anymore. But that's a whole different topic, guys. That's a whole different topic. You know what I'm saying? So yes, guys, this is my favorite silhouette and even favorite colorway of all times. But now, I'm not gonna lie to you, the Kayanos are creeping. Yes, they are. And if you look at them real good, the silhouette is almost identically the same. Now you can sort of understand why the Kayano is at number 2 place. And why is the Kayano creeping? I'm gonna leave that one to another episode of Primo's Kicks. Yes! Because it's actually worth mentioning this, guys. It's actually worth mentioning. Because I consider this one of the most comfortable shoes in the world. At least in my case. But this, oh man. I don't even know what the hell to say right now, honestly. Let's just say they're primo. Holy shit. Let me end this video real quick before it gets nasty. Yes, and I end up doing something else that's awkward. So guys, this is the first video of 2025. We're coming in hot, guys. We're coming in hot. People expected that Jordan was going to be my favorite silhouette of all time. Any Jordan. No, it's not, guys. It's actually in third. And no, it's not what a lot of people thought. It's actually the Jordan 3s. This year, there's going to be a lot of exposures. Once again, guys, I don't know how to thank you enough. I don't want to sound like a broken record. I'm just so grateful for your support. I am grateful for everything, guys. Just one view alone makes me the happiest man in the world. No lie, guys. And you guys have given me so much support. And there I go again, sounding like a broken record. I'll quit it. I'll stop it, guys. I'll stop it. Just thank you. And like I always say, I'm always wishing you the best. And I love you all. Peace. Whoops.